Guys, keep calm. I am your realtor. Now, without any further jokes, we're going to be talking about a small CCIV update. It's not too small, but I don't want to spend too much time on it because there's so many other things going on today. But I do think it's important to make a video about, so this is going to be a shorter video. And if you want to stay up to date with CCIV, NEO, all the other stocks we all love, as well as learn some options trading strategies and investing strategies and everything else in between, then consider hitting the like button, subscribing, comment down below. I do appreciate those of you guys that hit the like button, commented, and subscribed. I do greatly appreciate it. Trying to hit 300 subscribers, and every subscriber will help. I'm only 4 away, so I would appreciate it. But the title of this article is Lucid Motors may start delivering the Lucid Air EV to the Middle East and other markets much sooner than previously expected as per new development. So that's a very strong title, and I have to read it as a big CCIV investor currently. So this was posted at 12:57 yesterday, so it's a very, very new article. So it goes on to say, readers should note that Lucid Motors, while announcing its merger DA with its SPAC Churchill Capital in February, had intimated that the U.S. deliveries of the Air EV would commence in second half of 2021. Moreover, the company had pushed the deliveries to the Middle East and other markets to 2022. So this is kind of what we had expected, but there's some new information coming out. It says, now, however, Lucid Motors has opened 3 key job vacancies that suggest an accelerated delivery timeline. These include Manager EMEA Inbound Logistics, Manager EMEA Logistics Operations, and Manager EMEA Outbound Logistics. So click on these are legit. These are from the Lucid Motors website, and you can apply. And I mean, if this is something maybe you guys would want to be interested in, that is always an option as well. I mean, you can't really go wrong working for a company you invest in, but yeah, so these are all on their actual website. So it's pretty compelling if they're already trying to hire people for this position. But going down the line, well, this website's tripping out. Additionally, this development bodes well for the company's prospects in another way. Bloomberg and other publications have reported that Lucid Motors is likely to construct another production facility in Saudi Arabia. The second job posting pertaining to logistics operations in EMEA serves to add credibility to the inference of Lucid Motors' outsized persistence in that area. Given that the Saudi PIF is a major investor in the company, the outcome is not unexpected. Yeah, so we all know they are making a factory in Saudi Arabia, and they constructed their factory in Arizona in 11 months' time, guys. So they could do this factory in Saudi Arabia in a similar time period. So we're talking a year, potentially a year from now, we could have 2 factories and be cranking out EVs. So this is really cool. And it's basically going on to say that Lucid Motors is perhaps the only EV manufacturer in the world that stands the best chance of capitalizing on the multi-billion-dollar Saudi Green Initiative. Just going on to say they plan to cut down to 60% carbon emissions, and that's nothing too important right there. Of course, the ongoing global chip shortage may end up disrupting Lucid Motors' accelerated delivery timeline for the Air EV. Bear in mind that the company expects to produce around 20,000 EVs in 2022, with only nominal 2021 production. However, if the EV manufacturer is now preparing to accelerate its deliveries, investors should start to price in a much more optimistic financial outlook. Stay tuned. So I like how they start this article. I like what is in this article, giving you the straight up information, as well as how they ended it. It is very optimistic sounding, and I would expect the stock to make a move on this. Now, especially if they announce a Saudi Arabia factory, that would definitely make a move, but I think a lot of people are just waiting around for CCIV to turn into Lucid Motors to buy it, because there's always a chance the deal would not go through. It's a very small chance, but there is a chance that could happen. So this is the update for you guys. We have 3 job openings in Europe. It does look good. I would expect some kind of announcement coming soon, potentially about a factory or how they're going to start delivering these vehicles once they can. But I will keep you guys up to date with any new developments. If you guys want to hit the subscribe, like button, and notifications, you'll be notified every single time a video comes out, so you don't miss anything and potentially could make you a lot of money. So with that being said, I do have links in the description of this video. If you want to check those out, you're more than welcome to do so. I'm going to get out of here. There's so much going on today. I hope you guys make a lot of money in your trading and your investing journeys. Peace out.